Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Mitsuko. I like to start the look with my eyes, so I'm prepping my lids with concealer, setting powder, and if you're interested, I will link everything that I use in this video in the description box. I'm putting Jasper all over my lid because I just want a wash of that, so don't worry about it being perfect. And then to blend out the edges, I'm using Carnelian just to make it a little bit softer. Ripe is a darker version of Jasper, so I'm using that in my inner corner, my crease, and then also on the outer part of my lid. Almost like prepping for a halo, but we're not doing a halo. And then on top of Ripe, I'm using Antique, which is a nice reddish brown, and I'm using it just to give it a little bit of smoke. For this look, I knew I wanted orange and green, but I wasn't sure about the shade, so I was having fun trying a couple of these, but I ended up going with the one from Melt. After applying goals all over my lid, I felt like my eye was still missing that smoke, so I'm adding Cupcake just on the outer part and a little bit into my crease just to make it smoky. To prime my skin, I'm using the LYS primer. It's so hydrating, but you have to wait for it to dry before you go to the next step. And then on top of that, I'm putting the Fenty, this is the Droplet, the glow version, and it's in the shade Bronze Jasper, just to give me that glow from within. To contour, I'm using the Hourglass foundation in the shade Chestnut, and I really like this one because it's warm and I feel like it complements my skin tone very well. To conceal, I'm starting with the Merit foundation / concealer, and this one's in the shade Amber, and as you can tell, it's the perfect match for me. And then on top of that, I'm going with the Makeup Forever and the Pat McGrath just to brighten the look, and a little bit of that closer to my inner corner. To set my highlight, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury setting powder in the shade Medium 2. I'm also using some of her powder bronzer. This one's in the shade Deep. And then for the rest of my face, I'm using the Light Reflecting Setting Powder from NARS in the shade Meza. To finish the eyes, I'm using Jasper on my bottom lash line, and on top of that, I'm going in with Cupcake and then blending the two together just to make it smoky. I wasn't planning on putting any blush on my cheeks, but I felt like there was something missing, so I added a little bit of the Love shade from Rare Beauty, and it's beautiful terracotta. My T-zone was a tad too glowy, so I added some of the translucent setting powder from Laura Mercier. This lip combo is my new obsession. It's Cork from MAC, which is a lip liner, and then I'm also adding this beautiful gloss from Unparalleled Beauty, and it's in the shade Neutral. So that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you next time.